Good morning, everyone. I hope before doing well and good health, inshallah. Always today we have our brother, Mr. Lahiro. Go, Lahiro.
Hyundai.
Okay, so today, inshallah, we'll do a mock test for our brother Lahiro. This is first day from practicing the Ruwi location. Inshallah, he do it well, and we will do for him mock test today. I hope there is no mistakes, inshallah, and good luck to you, Lahiro.
Yes. Good.
All right, brother Lahiro. So when you are going for the your road test, real test, okay, your conversation has to be like that, ready to move left or right, okay. So waiting for the exam, no? So if the exam come with you, okay, and he will check your documents, okay.
Okay.
Then he will ask you about your name, what's your name, like that, okay. Then he said, "Are you ready?" Tell him, "Yes, I am ready." Maybe he'll tell you go left. Maybe he'll tell you go to the right, okay.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Nehru, are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay, Nehru, we go left. Can you go left? I don't know. You- Relax, huh? We go left. We're going to do a mock test, and also we can talk about what you are when you drive in the road. Yeah, from here you have to use hazard. Keep going here. All right. Now we go left. Yeah, you need to stop before the line, don't cross the line, and check both sides. We go left. Good. Okay, Lahiro, we go right. We'll back left. Lahiro. Okay, Lahiro. Yeah, okay. Your mock test is good. Hmm? Yeah. So good luck, inshallah. It's short mock test, but no problem. And yeah, some students, when they are on the road, they are using hazard. They are keeping their hand like this for a long time. No need to keep your hand. Just press the hazard like this, and again. again your hand on the steering wheel. No need to hold
Yes.
the hazard like this.
Okay.
And you are holding the steering one hand strong. Some students they do like that. So just press this one one time and bring your hand
Okay.
to steering wheel.
Yeah.
Like what you do that time is okay, good. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, thank you, Lahiro. Good luck,
Okay,
inshallah.
Thank you, Ahmad. Thank you.
You are welcome, and yeah, good luck for your driving road test, inshallah, and good luck to for the students to pass the exam. Also, inshallah, you pass your exam. Yeah. Okay, Lahiro. Thank you.
Thank you, Ahmad.
Thank you.